Welcome to WashMe. Doing your laundry has never been this easy. Choose your washing machine, either the 20 kg or 9 kg, and load your laundry. Head over to the main unit screen to select your service. If there are 2 WashMe units at this location, make sure you choose and pay at the station next to the machine you're using. Touch the screen to start, choose your service, wash or dry, select the correct machine, 20 kg or 9 kg. Select your wash program. Note that the 15-degree option is a delicate wash and is not recommended for heavy loads, as it has a very light spin. The machine offers extra options like pre-wash or softener. Choose the ones you want. The machine does not print a receipt. Choose to proceed. Before making your payment, you can choose to receive your receipt by email. Make your payment. Just tap your card on the terminal. Go back to your machine. Make sure the door is fully closed until you hear the lock click. Then press the start button. That's it. Sit back and relax. Or, even better, enjoy your shopping while your laundry gets done. With over 600 locations in Ireland, there's always one near you. Find your nearest WashMe today.